In this tutorial, I'll show you how to pull customer feedback from Trustpilot, Reddit, and Google into one place and use AI to summarize it so you can quickly see what's working, what's frustrating customers, and what needs your attention. First, go to rss.app and open the RSS generator. Paste in the link to your company's Trustpilot. RSS app generates a feed that pulls in new reviews as they're posted. No manual refreshing required. Next, set up a Reddit feed. Track a specific subreddit, a search term, or mentions of your brand across Reddit. This lets you capture questions and complaints happening outside traditional review sites. Now create a Google search feed using your brand or product name as the query. This catches discussions happening elsewhere on the web: blog posts, forums, comparison articles, and anywhere your name comes up. You now have 3 live feeds. Go to Bundles, select all 3, and combine them. This merges every review and mention into one unified stream, so you're not jumping between sources to get the full picture, and the bundle stays current as each individual feed updates. With your bundle in place, switch on AI Brief. A few settings matter specifically for review analysis. Set the personality to Analyst. It's structured and data-focused, which fits reading through reviews better. For format, go with Brief or Digest for more in-depth summaries. There's also the Custom option if you want the AI to follow highly specific instructions. If your bundle gets noisy, use Filter by Topics to narrow things down, and the brief will only pull in matching mentions. You can also bump up Max Articles if you're pulling from 3 sources at once, otherwise you risk missing coverage from one of them. Once that's configured, go to Schedule and turn on Auto-Generate. Choose a frequency and set a minimum number of new articles required, so you're not getting a near-empty brief on a quiet day. AI Brief will then be generated automatically according to your schedule. By default, AI Brief replaces the feed output, but you can still check out the original reviews in the Sources tab. From there, you can send the brief anywhere rss.app delivers to: Discord, Telegram, Slack, or email, so it lands wherever your team already works, or display it as a widget on an internal dashboard. That's it. You've just set up a system that runs on its own. New reviews come in, get bundled, summarized, and delivered to your team. Build it today with rss.app.